133 articles, and they are sorted by size, as you can see, by their size in bytes. Now, how to copy all of this? You can simply copy it like this, and go to any spreadsheet like this, and then just modify. I don't want all of this. I don't know. This is delete. This is delete, and this is delete. So articles need to be translated under that category, and then you can give this list, this spreadsheet, to your audience who are having this category as their preferred categories. Okay, so I'm gonna move to the next example, which is explaining how to extract articles under any category that needs to be expanded. So I need another volunteer from Mr. Zafar, from Turkish Wikipedia. So Turkish Wikipedia is TR Wiki, yeah?
Yes, TR.
Yeah, great. So I'm gonna open this scan again. So Mr. Zafar, please tell us what is your preferred category? I think it's football.
Yeah, why not? For example, Scottish football player is not exist in Turkish Wikipedia.
That's amazing. Okay, mashallah. Scottish player footballers. Category Wiki. Yes, as you can see, this is the category in the English Wikipedia, Scottish footballers. Okay. Actually, this example is for expansion, not for translation, but I'm gonna do it for translation again for you. So you can just copy it, copy this article, copy this category, sorry, and paste it here. And it's important to consider the capital letters. For example, if you write it like this, it's wrong. If you change the F from small letter to capital letter, it's wrong. This will be wrong. Yani the tool will not find anything for you. So it's important to be written as it's written here. Tamam?
Tamam.
Okay. So English Wikipedia, I want here. What should I write? You tell me. I'm looking for articles in Turkish Wikipedia. So what should I write here?
TR Wiki.
TR Wiki. Yes, that's excellent. And I'm gonna sort the output by size.
Ahmad, can you zoom in the page?
Yeah, too small.
So that people can see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so do you want any articles in the subcategories of Scottish footballers, or you just want the articles that are in the main category? Okay, so I'm gonna press do it, and here I think there's too much. And here they are, 7, 4, 2. They are sorted by size. So you can just copy them and paste them in the spreadsheet and give them to anyone who's interested in enhancing, promoting, improving these articles. Good? Guzel? Yeah. Tamam. I'm gonna remove TR Wiki here, and I'm gonna explain to you how to search for articles that need to be expanded. So, Mr. Zafar, can you please give me another category that is like Turkish category? Yani I wanted something in your country. You want
Turkish physician, for example.
Okay.
Nice.
Turkish. I don't know.
Did you mean it will be?
Yeah. Thanks for Google for helping me. Okay, so Turkish. Doctors, I can. Okay, I covered. Okay, now this is something important. I need to check the name of this category in Turkish Wikipedia, since I'm looking for articles in the Turkish Wikipedia right now, not in the English Wikipedia. So by clicking languages here, where is Turkish? This is Turkish. Okay, so I'm gonna copy the name of the category in the Turkish language, okay, not in the English language, because I'm searching for articles in the Turkish Wikipedia. So I'm gonna paste it here. Turk, can you please pronounce it? Hekimler. Yeah. And here, what should I write?
TR.
TR. Amazing. So I'm looking for articles that are in the TR Wikipedia, under this category. Now, I'm gonna explain one more thing. So, as you can see here, there is an intersection and there is a union. So if you put more than one category, you can choose intersection, yani I want the articles that are under these two categories together. But if you click union, that means that I want the articles that are in here and in here. For example, if you are searching for Turkish like singers and Turkish doctors, you can write their categories here, Turkish hekimler and Turkish
Şarkıcılar.
yeah, what you said, yeah? And then you can press union. But if you want the person to be a doctor and a singer at the meantime, then you must click intersection. Is that clear? Yeah. Great, amazing. So, okay, so in this tab it's finished. Now I'm gonna go to page properties. And here you can define the size of the page that you are addressing. So you want to expand the pages, and you are searching for pages that have low number of bytes.
For example, 5,000 bytes.
5,000 bytes, amazing. So I want all the articles that are under this category in the Turkish Wikipedia that their size must be smaller or equal 5,000. Then I'm gonna do it. So we have 124 articles that needs to be improved under this category in the Turkish Wikipedia. As you can see, you can look at their sizes here. 4872, 4732, yeah. This is it. This is it. Yeah, it's just page properties, and here smaller or equal 5,000. Clear? Thank you. Okay, would you like us to take another example in this, or it's we can proceed to the next one?
In this example, you didn't change anything in the Wikidata?
Yes, yes, because I'm not looking for articles that need to be translated.
Okay.
So I didn't put anything here. Yeah, it's empty. I just manipulated the properties in page properties here. Okay, let's get back to here. And okay. Sadly, there is no Arabic in here. Can you please tell me some of the maintenance templates in English Wikipedia, like template, wiki style,
Without reference?
wiki? Yes, that's amazing. But the problem is there is no English here, so I'm suffering in writing. Template, missed references, wiki. Yes, citation not found. I think this is it. I think this is it. Or citation needed.
Citation needed, I think.
Yes, we can, or incomplete short citation. Let's use the three of this. Okay. I'm gonna use English language. Is that okay? But if you are looking for other, I'm gonna explain it after I finish the example. So
we use union.
And I'm going back to English Wikipedia, and I'm gonna ask one of you to tell me his or her preferences. Okay, anyone? Your preferences, your categories?
For example, in Catalan Wikipedia, there is a category with women.
Yeah.
For example, it's impossible to find women scientists because it's only scientists.
Yeah.
And what we need to do in this case if we don't have a category for the women only? Do you understand me?
Yeah, I understand you. Yeah, in this case, you need to translate articles.
Yeah.
Yes, it's not important.
Saying that there are women in this case. You list all the scientists in the first query, and in the Wikidata part you indicate that you want somebody who is also tagged as a woman. That's
because in Wikidata there is a
Okay, because we don't have time, I'm sorry, because we don't have time, I'm gonna give this example. So I'm gonna look for articles that need some maintenance. So I choose the category Serbian writers in the English Wikipedia, and I just want the main category, or I can get into one of the subcategories, as you can see here. So I can get, I'm gonna remove the 5000 here. I can get into the templates and links tab, as you can see, templates and links tab, and here you can define the templates that are in the articles. For example, I want the articles that have the template, for example, incomplete short citation, okay? Or I want the articles that have the template citation needed. So you can type them here as any of these templates. Our templates are citation needed and incomplete short citation. So is everything okay so far?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So I'm searching in the English Wikipedia for Serbian writers. It's no problem for me if I get into one of the subcategories of okay. And in the templates and links here, I want the articles that has one of these templates. So I'm gonna do it. I think if it took too much time like this, that means that there are so many outputs.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, thousands.
Yeah, I think we should send this as a message to the
Should have
Serbian Wikimedia users.
chosen only the first one.
Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna, for example, I'm gonna get into one of these articles. I get into this one. As you can see, it has maybe under